Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So yeah guys, this is a new vlog. Welcome to Vlogmas day 1. I know I'm late guys, but honestly work has been hectic. So yeah, I'm gonna start Vlogmas today on the 5th of December. Today is the 5th of December, you guys. And then yeah, so like my whole Vlogmas theme is basically gonna be about me still working, yeah, but like I have a few items to add to my new apartment. Yeah, this is like my first time living alone during Christmas time, so I was like, let me get myself a Christmas tree to celebrate my new apartment. And yeah man, just to celebrate Jesus' birthday. And yeah, I'm gonna put up my tree hopefully today, because I'm gonna go and get some decorations for the tree. I don't want too much decorations, I just want lights as well as those light bulbs situations. I don't know what they call, guys, but yeah, the tree already arrived. I got my tree from Macro. Guys, I'm also so excited. I have a new MacBook that I was like, you know what, that laptop, it's done, it's finished, it's time for me to move on. So I got myself a new Apple MacBook M2 because I was like, you know what, if I'm gonna invest in a laptop right now, it has to be a really good one, because I'm not buying another laptop in at least 5 years, because my previous one was actually a pre-owned MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017 model, and I only used it for a year and it died which was so sad. So guys, my advice is, if you're gonna invest in a MacBook, rather just, or even just a laptop, just get a new one. Just save up for a new one. Yeah, my siblings are here visiting me for the holidays, so yeah, you guys are gonna be seeing a lot of them as well. But then yeah guys, let's go. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Mwah. guys, so it's the end of the day and Friday, okay, and I don't feel like working or continuing to work. I really don't have to, honestly. I feel so exhausted. I feel, whew, I need a break, guys. I feel like year-end fatigue is really getting to me now. So yeah, guys, right now I'm just chilling with my siblings at the pool. So yeah, these are the vibes. Hi guys, so I'm gonna be unboxing my Christmas tree that I got from Macro. This is my first ever Christmas tree in my own apartment, my first apartment, I would say. So yeah, very excited, and I wanted to share this moment with you guys. Tree, and I'm so happy with how it came out. The only thing I don't like is that it's making such a mess on my floor, but other than that, I love the aesthetic of it. I love the lights. I am, however, gonna add more lights. They're actually LED lights, so I'm glad that even after Christmas I can still reuse them around my apartment, which is gonna be amazing. So yeah guys, thank you so much for joining me on this vlog. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because yeah, there's nothing else to vlog, to be quite honest. But thank you so much for joining me on Vlogmas. I love you guys. Please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next Vlogmas video.